Good morning. In this brief distance education video, I shall be training you in moving quizzes into Moodle using an XML tool. This will allow you to move a quiz from Microsoft Word into Moodle. So let's begin. I have a quiz on the screen that I want to convert. Presently, it's in Microsoft Word format. To begin this exercise, I need to save this document. I have it named. I'm going to rename it. And critical to this, I must save as a Microsoft Word XML document. Save it. And make sure where your document is at so you can relocate it. Now that the document is saved, I must move to a tool that will be of great value to you called the VLEtools.com Moodle XML Converter. I have it now on the screen. And today we are going to move a quiz into XML. So I click the tab Quiz XML. I will be putting the quiz in here, so I must remember to leave the parsing alone and the options. You can browse and upload. In my experience, cut and paste does a very good job. I'm going to go to the document, copy it, and prepare it for cut and paste. Now I'm going to paste the document into the box on the XML converter. You should see your document come in. There are 12 questions on this quiz. At the bottom, I find a preview button, and I want to click that button now. You'll know you have been successful to this point if, under Quiz XML, you see it has parsed the appropriate number of questions. It says here it has parsed 12 quiz entries, and if I begin to scroll down, I can in fact preview these here. You'll see what it is that's coming over from the quiz. I now need to download this, and I will need to save this once I download it. Please remember where it is that you have downloaded this quiz. I'm going to close all of this for the moment and move to our Moodle classroom. I'm assuming that you can move between these various points. When I come into the classroom, I must turn editing on. And I will scroll down in this experimental class to a week where I can create a new quiz. I'm going to click Quiz under Activity. I'll name this XML Demo Quiz. I'm going to leave all the settings as they are for the moment because our purpose is to show you how to import, save, and display. There are questions available in this quiz, but they are not the ones I want to import. So I'm going to import these questions. At the top of this quiz, you'll find these tabs: Information, Results, Preview, and you want to look for the Import button. Click Import. You must find under File Format the XML format. Click that. Now we want to look for a category, and we want to find out where these are going to go. So I'm going to put them into default for XML demo quiz. At this point, I want to browse for the document. I go to my downloads. I remember that this was downloaded as Quiz 3. I click that, open it. It should appear in the upload box. It must appear as the item you're going to convert. Click Upload this file. If you've been successful, you'll find this message: parsing questions, importing 12 from file. That says you are successful. Scroll down, click Continue. Now we have these questions, but they're not in the quiz. Go back to the tab Quiz. You'll see that they are not yet in the quiz. So I have up here at the category name. These are in the question bank. You see all the questions that you want here. Select all. Select Add to Quiz. You can check to make sure you're doing the right quiz by looking up here at the breadcrumbs. This is the XML demo quiz. If you'll remember our document, there was only a slight problem there. And I want to call this to your attention to help us understand how to improve our import. The quiz itself is set up to give to a student. Hence, it has no identified answers. What can I do to resolve that? Let's go back and look at this quiz for a moment. I'm going to pick a couple of these to show you what we mean. Here is a question as it was imported. I'm looking at the Preview button under Actions. Here's the preview. And under the preview, if I click Fill with Correct, you'll notice no action is taken. Why? Because it came from a student quiz where there was not an identified answer. Can I resolve this? Yes. Let's go to the same question with the editing function under Actions. Click Edit. Now you're moved to the question itself. And I'm reading the question: what Jewish institute greatly influenced the early church? Scrolling down, we find the available answers. We need to identify the synagogue, so where it says grade, we move it to 100%. And I scroll to the bottom of that, and I save changes. Now, let's preview this very same question. Click Preview. Here's the same question again. This time I want to fill with correct. And you'll notice it clicked synagogue, which is the correct answer. Now you have both imported the questions and you have updated them with answers. Of course, we could have included the answers on the original, but since they were not there, we easily correct and update them. And now, if we want to preview our quiz, we can see what's going on. But you have learned how to import from a Word document using the XML converter to put the questions in a Moodle quiz. This was a distance education video. Thank you. Have a good day.